Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are keeping healthy and safe. Today we are going to discuss a very important and very interesting topic in the field of advertising, which is advertising appeals. So before I move on to the topic, I would request you rather to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below whether you are liking the video and what other topics would you like me to cover so that I can make videos which are relevant to my subscribers. So here we are starting with our topic, which is advertising appeals. We have already studied the basics of advertising, different media and media planning. Now comes when you make an ad, how are you going to make sure that your audience is attracted towards your ad? So let us see today what is an appeal and how does it helps you to get the attention of your target audience. So advertisement appeal is the motive to which an ad is directed, and it is designed to stir a person towards the goal advertiser has set. If you have seen my previous video, you already know that every advertisement has an objective. Now what the advertiser has to do, that your audience is attracted toward your advertisement so that the objective is fulfilled. So advertisement appeal is the approach you will use to attract the customers. There are different approaches. Let us see what they are. If we categorize broadly, we have three different approaches or three different appeals which are used in advertisements. They are rational, emotional, and moral appeal. Rational appeal focuses on the practical need of product. It focuses or it targets the mind of consumers. आपके दिमाग, when you purchase, आप अपने दिमाग से सोचते हैं अगर, तो उस नीड को टारगेट करेगी वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट. इमोशनल अपील फोकसेस ऑन द सोशल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स. सो जब आप कोई ऐड देखते हैं, आप इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, आप उससे अपने आप को कनेक्ट करते हैं, इसका मतलब वो ऐड इमोशनल अपील यूज़ कर रही है. एंड मॉरल अपील मीन्स दैट द एड इज फोकस्ड ऑन द सेंस ऑफ व्हाट इज राइट एंड रॉन्ग. सो अगर आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट में ऐसा कुछ दिखाया जा रहा है जिससे आपको लगता है हाँ ये करना सही है या ये करना सही नहीं है, देन इट इज यूजिंग मॉरल अपील्स. वी विल डिस्कस ईच वन ऑफ देम इन डिटेल एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस ये एक्चुअल में कौन सी अपील बेस्ट है या कौन सी अपील यूज की जाती है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज रैशनल अपील. एज आई सेड, रैशनल अपील में अगर रैशनल अपील यूज कर रहे हैं एडवर्टाइजर्स, सो दे वुड बी शोइंग यू समथिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट विच यू फील इज रैशनल या लॉजिकल, राइट. सो रैशनल अपील कुड बी ऑफ ऑल दीज टाइप्स. अगर आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में देख रहे हैं कि प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स बताए जा रहे हैं, देन इट इज़ अ फीचर अपील. सो रैशनल अपील के अंडर भी बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने के. ये सारे तरीके आपको एक ऐड में नहीं मिलेंगे. इन वन ऐड यू विल फाइंड वन ऑफ दीज और अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वन और टू ऑफ दीज. सब कुछ एक ही ऐड में नहीं बताया जा सकता. सो व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग एन ऐड एंड व्हेन यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर प्रोडक्ट फीचर्स, you would be focusing on a certain particular feature which is unique to your product. So feature appeal में आप क्या बता रहे हैं कि आपके प्रोडक्ट के ये फीचर्स हैं, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू सी सम मोबाइल एड्स, दे विल शो यू कि इसका कैमरा इतना मेगापिक्सल है एंड इसके मेमोरी इतनी है, इसका बैटरी लाइफ इतना है. सो दे आर फोकसिंग ऑन द फीचर्स ऑफ देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट. Another way could be to attract the audience by using competitive advantage appeal. सो आप ये बताते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल सेम ऑफ मोबाइल, आप ये दिखा रहे हैं कि आपका मोबाइल कॉम्पिटिटर से कैसे बेटर है. तो आप दिखाएंगे कि हमारा एज कम्पेयर टू अदर्स इन द मार्केट वी हैव बेटर कैमरा इन दिस प्राइस रेंज, राइट. सो यू आर शोइंग हाउ यू आर बेटर फ्रॉम योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स. वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल जो आप सबने देखा होगा इज़ लाइक कॉम्प्लान वर्सेस हॉर्लिक एंड रिन वर्सेस टाइड, जो दिखाता है कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट कॉम्पिटिटर से ज़्यादा बेहतर है, उससे ज़्यादा सफ़ेदी देता है एज अ डिटर्जेंट. Another way could be to use the price appeal. Price appeal means you are focusing only on the price. So if you are like the cheap offering the lowest price, जैसे बिग बाज़ार हो गया या बिग बास्केट हो गया, जो बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पे सबसे लोएस्ट प्राइस मिल रहे हैं आपको, that is focusing on the price and that is using price appeal, so people will be attracted due to that particular feature. Another is news appeal. So if your company is launching something new, or if your company is launching the same product but has added a new feature and you want to like declare it, then you are using the news appeal as if you're declaring or giving news about your product. Then popularity appeal. So you must have seen, pay attention to the ads you see. You must, it is very common that you will see that we will say that this is number one brand recommended by so and so, or this is the मोस्ट यूज ब्रांड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. सो आप बता रहे हो कि आपका प्रोडक्ट कितना पॉपुलर है. सो आपका फोकस इन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट रहेगा ऑन द पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट, कि इतने मिलियन लोग हमारा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या इंडिया का नंबर 1 टूथपेस्ट ये है, इंडिया का नंबर 1 नमक ये है. So you're focusing not on the features or the price, but how many people are using your product, how much popular you are. So in rational appeal, you will see all these appeals under rational appeal are targeting the mind of consumers. कुछ ना कुछ आपको लॉजिक लगेगा, हाँ ये इतना पॉपुलर है इसलिए मुझे लेना चाहिए, या इसका प्राइस कम है, या ये दूसरे ब्रांड से बेटर है, या ये प्रोडक्ट के इतने सारे फीचर्स हैं इसलिए मुझे लेना चाहिए. सो इट इज़ डायरेक्टिंग द माइंड और द लॉजिकल पार्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन. द अदर अपील इज इमोशनल अपील, which is not focusing on logic but which is focusing on emotions. Now in emotional appeal you can target two basic emotions, which is positive emotions and negative emotions. Let us see each one of them. Positive emotion means आप अपनी ad में positive emotions दिखाएंगे, या उसको देखकर consumers को positive emotions trigger होंगे and they could connect to it. It is very important while you are using emotional appeal that it should connect to the audience. अगर आप unnecessary emotions दिखाएंगे जो लोगों को connect नहीं होंगे, then the advertisement is not going to work for you. So positive emotions में आपका आता है emotion of love, joy, care and pride. So when you see somebody is getting an award, the parents are getting heavy, the love of mother and child, the love of parents, the love of siblings, so love, friendship, so it is all good emotions which comes to your mind. And the second is negative emotions. That means you are triggering the negative emotions in the consumers, and you are showing something like fear, guilt, shame or insecurity. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जैसे दिखाती है कि अगर आपने इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, तो आपकी फैमिली के साथ ऐसा हो जाएगा. Hence you are fearful seeing that, because you can relate to it, that if I have not taken an insurance and this can happen with me and my family. So you are motivated or triggered to take that insurance. Same goes with guilt or shame or insecurity. So different product and services suit different emotions or different rational appeal that we will see in the coming slides. And the third one is moral appeal. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर आपको देखने को मिलेगा that since you are targeting the sense of right and wrong, you are talking about being patriotic or about environmental protection, social causes, जागो ग्राहक, जागो the consumer protection. So you are telling ये सही है और ये सही नहीं है, आपको सही सामान बेचना चाहिए, सही क्वांटिटी में बेचना चाहिए, आपको कूड़ा नहीं फैलाना चाहिए सड़क पर. So such advertisements which are giving you moral lessons are using moral appeal. Do not cut trees. So all these things. और जैसे आपने टाटा टी की एड्स देखी होगी, जागो रे, कि आपको वोट करना चाहिए, वोटिंग इज योर राइट एंड यू शुड डू इट, इट इज़ योर ड्यूटी ऑल्सो. सो टाटा टी जागो रे एड्स or the idea ads, if you have seen, where they say do not cut the trees and go paperless. So these ads are targeting the moral sense of consumers and hence using moral appeal. So these are the three broad categories of appeals. If you screen different books and different study material, आपको और भी बहुत सारे टाइप के appeals मिलेंगे. Let us discuss them very quickly. So direct appeal means जो कि डायरेक्टली नीड को टारगेट करती हैं. सो यू हैव अ प्रोडक्ट एंड यू टेल कि वो प्रोडक्ट अपनी नीड को कैसे फुलफिल करता है. सो हंग्री क्या, स्निकर्स खा. अगर आपको भूख लग रही है देन यू ईट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट एंड you will be done with it. So it is using direct appeal. Otherwise, if you see the other chocolate ad like Cadbury, it is never saying that it is, fulfilling your hunger craves. So that is not direct appeal, that is indirect appeal. Indirect appeal means when the advertisers are not targeting a specific need. So you do not have your product or service related to a specific need, so you do not have something specific to show, just like Cadbury ads. So खाने वालों को खाने का बहाना चाहिए is like their jingle, or they are showing people eating chocolate at any and every occasion. It is not showing that if you are hungry then only you are eating this, or if you have some celebrations you are eating this. At any occasion you can eat that. So it is using indirect appeal. Then you have teaser advertising. This we have studied already in the types of advertising also in detail. Here you are using indirect appeal and you are not showing your product completely or giving incomplete information to build curiosity. Musical appeal, where the music is, the main hero. So if you see Airtel ad where A.R. Rahman prepared the song and nothing is coming but just the background music, right? Or if you see washing powder Nirma, everything is in background and the jingle is the dominant feature. So this is use of musical appeal. Then transformational appeal, where advertisers are focusing on the experience rather than the features of product. So आपका experience कैसा रहा यहाँ पर आकर. Generally in travel and tourism, how your experience was. So people are sharing their experience when they visited a particular saloon or when they visited a particular hotel. So that is transformational appeal. So these are different type of appeal. Another thing which I would like to mention is use of humor in advertisement. Now somewhere you will find that humor is put as a separate appeal, but humor could be used in all, in positive emotion also, in a negative emotion also, in moral appeal also. So use of humor means that you are giving the message in a funny way, and that could be used with any of the appeal. And it could be the focus also, like you will see the center shock ads which do not have any product ingredient being displayed or do not have any emotion. It is just a funny ad. So another thing used, or another approach used by the advertisers is humor appeal. Now the main question is, which appeal out of all these is best? So if you are a student and studying for your exam, you might have case studies also, which appeal is best. So this we will see in our next video, that which appeal is best for you. And till then you can think, and then we will discuss in our next video that which appeal is best out of all these appeals. See you in the next video. Take care and have a good day.